Welcome to Showrop's classes. So we were solving this question, which was question number 6. So we are solving question number 6 from UGC NET 2018 July paper. So in this paper we had 4 options. That is, first option was given by whether the degree of homogeneity is 1 or not. So we have found the degree of homogeneity is not equals to 1. Then elasticity of substitution is equals to alpha plus beta. We know for a Cobb-Douglas production function, which is the case here, the elasticity of substitution is equals to 1, not. And finally, the output elasticity with respect to capital is alpha. So output elasticity with respect to capital is alpha. Obviously this is right. And finally the last one is marginal product of a factor is equals to average product of the factor. So marginal product of a factor is equals to average product of the factor. So for this reason we know that for question number 6 the right answer is option 3, because we know marginal product of a factor is not equals to average product of a factor, because average product of a factor, which is APL, is divided by Q by L, and MPL is equals to beta into Q by L. So they are not same. Rather we would conclude that MPL is less than APL, because beta we know is less than 1. So for this reason we know that is they are not same. Why? How do we get it from here? So if you simply divide Q by L, then it will become A into K to the power alpha, so QL will be equals to Q by L will be equals to A into K to the power alpha L to the power beta divided by L. So which in turn is equals to A K to the power alpha L to the power beta, which is Q divided by L. So APL is Q divided by L now, and MPL is change in Q by change in L. So if you differentiate this with respect to L, you will get the value to be A K to the power alpha beta L to the power beta minus 1. So it is nothing but alpha K to the power alpha B beta L to the power beta by L. So for this we know this is equals to beta into Q by L. So MPL is beta into Q by L, whereas APL is Q by L. So they are not same. So for this reason, for a Cobb-Douglas production function, in the earlier video, in the earlier section, we have already stated they are not homogeneous of degree 1, because they are not linear. That is, this parameter are not linear. So in order to make it linear, we have to take logarithm of it. And in the earlier video we have also shown that elasticity of substitution is equals to 1, not this. So the only option, which is option 3, output elasticity with respect to capital is equals to 1. Now how do we find output elasticity of capital? So in order to find it, we simply have to do this. So for this what we have to do is, we'll simply we'll denote it as EK, which is equals to change in Q by change in K into K by Q. So which will be equals to QK into K by Q. So if you just denote it by QK, now if you further solve it, you will get the value to be EK equals to the value of QK to be alpha into Q by K, which is into Q by K, which is equals to alpha. Now how do we get this value? For this we simply have to write down the Cobb-Douglas production function. So the basic Cobb-Douglas production function looks like this. q equals to a k to the power alpha L to the power beta. Now if you simply do this, that is change in differentiation of q with respect to k, you will get the value to be equals to a alpha k to the power alpha minus 1 L to the power beta. So now if you do it, you will get an alpha here, an a will remain here, alpha will come outside, a k to the power alpha L to the power beta divided by k. So it is basically q to the power q divided by k into alpha, which is this. Now this gets cancelled out and we get the value of ek, which is elasticity of output with respect to capital, to be alpha. So for this reason we can state for question number 6 the right answer is option 3. So for question number 6 the right answer is option 3. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showrupsearchclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you'll also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam on economics. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.